The purpose of this video is just to go through one common problem that I see when homeowners are on a trial payment plan or TPP with their bank. If you're a subscriber to the page, welcome back. If not, make sure you subscribe, like the videos. If you have questions or comments, I always love hearing from you guys. But yeah, we're talking about trial payment plans and one particular problem. If you want more information generally on what a trial payment plan is or what that does or how that's related to loan modification approval, there are other videos on this page. Go watch those now. This video is about the problem of misapplying a trial payment. So real briefly, a trial payment plan occurs when you go through the financial review process for a loan modification and you get approved. A lot of banks and a lot of investors require that homeowners who get approved for a loan modification go through a 3-month trial period where basically you make 3 mortgage payments for 3 months on a trial. The bank is testing you to make sure you can afford to pay these payments. At the end of your 3-month trial, that's when they give you the final loan modification documents to help you kind of fully execute your loan. So that's what a trial payment plan is. Now, it's very important that you understand that each month when you send in a trial payment plan, you need to follow up to make sure that it gets applied correctly. Don't just do the thing where you send your check to the bank and just like assume that they'll figure it out, right? Because your trial payment plan is a very special type of agreement. It's listed differently in the system. And so what can happen and what does happen to homeowners is big banks will receive a payment, they'll take the payment and they'll just shove the payment into an escrow account, meaning that you're behind on your mortgage, they don't apply it to the trial, they put it in an escrow account, and essentially the payment just sits there. And so when you call in, it doesn't show that you're current on your trial payment plan. And so what you need to do is, after you make your trial payment plan, you need to call the bank. Number one, you need to confirm that they can see your payment and that they've received it. But then there's a second thing in there, which means you need to confirm that they've actually applied it to the trial. And the way that you say that to them is you just literally ask them that. You say, hey, I'm on a trial payment plan. Can you confirm where this payment was applied? I always like to not give lenders too much information. Basically, you don't want to set them up so they can just say yes, because that will lead them to just say yes without checking. So the wrong way of asking them is, hey, did this payment get applied to my June 1st trial payment plan? Don't say that. Just say, can you tell me what the most recent payment on the account was and tell me where it was applied? If you ask it like that, then they have to give you the answer that indicates the truth actually happened. They have to say back to you, hey, yeah, a payment of $2,000 was received and it was applied to your June 1st TPP payment. If you give up that information in your question, a lazy representative is just gonna say, yeah, definitely, you're good to go. But it might not be good to go. So make them give you the date of application back, make them tell you the trial payment back, and just say generally, I made a payment recently, can you tell me how much it was for and where it got applied? And then that will kind of prevent them from misapplying the trial payment. Good luck.